What is up guys, it is XZX Gaming and we are back with our next video, and today we're gonna be doing a video which I promised you before, and that is gonna be how to snipe. And this is one of the few methods that are there for sniping. There's also bit sniping and binary sniping, which we'll also be going through. And the sniping which I'm going to talk to you about is the 350 coin sniping, and this is one of the best methods out there. So to get things for cheap, I mean not things, players for cheap, this is one of the greatest methods out there guys. And this is like some of the few clips which I have recorded. Look, for 350 coins you can get so many players, and I'm going to show you some amazing finds that I have missed and also got. I've got a few good players through this method, and I've also lost a few good players. I really recommend all of you guys to use this method, and I will be showing you the methods in detail. Like, I will be explaining to you, and I will be showing you clips and recordings of the players which I have missed and also which I've got. So see you guys in the video. So yeah guys, as you can see in this example, I've got one player for 350 coins, not 300 coins, and I can sell him for 350 coins and instantly make a profit. So this is one of the tricks which I use, and as you can see, it instantly sold. Like, the moment I kept it for, it's not cutting at anything, it instantly sold. Like the moment I put it for, it instantly sold. So that's the thing which I wanted to tell you guys, that it quickly sells guys. So yeah guys, this is one of the also reasons what I wanted to talk to you about. As you can see, I lost a Real Madrid left mid, as you can see here, and I lost him for 200 coins guys, and I'm sure he's worth a lot because he's from Real Madrid and he's in the left mid position, which is also Ronaldo's position. So he will be not cheap, he will be really costly guys. So that was a really bad miss which I've got, and even if you come in exactly 1 hour when it is just put, you will still miss it guys. So yeah, that's one of the examples that I wanted to show you. OMG guys, I just missed goalkeeper Leno from Bundesliga, and as you can see, for 200 coins guys. What a crazy snipe. But actually I did not get him because as you can see, there was an error with your bid, so that means that someone else has unfortunately got him. Fortunate for him, not for me. So yeah. Again guys, I have just missed Mandanda as a goalkeeper, 82 rated, as you can see, for 200 coins guys. And these is, oh my god, I couldn't believe I just missed him. I came in like 9 minutes and 59 seconds, but I still missed him guys. So that's one more example. Again guys, I have just missed a rare gold. He's a German rare gold, and I just missed him for 200 coins guys. So that is what I wanted to talk to you guys about in this video, and this method is really amazing guys. I really expect you to try this out. And this is one more clip. Oh my god guys, this is my saddest clip so far because it is Starke guys. I just missed Starke. As you can see guys, again, I really recommend this because he's worth a lot of money. Not a lot, but still you get 3 times the money. So there's another clip which is gonna show you. Okay guys, here's one more player from PSG. So that is the video guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I expect you to like and subscribe and really recommend this method, and lots of other videos are coming up as regularly as possible. You know, we all try our best, me, Ritesh and Shibin. So yeah, so this is the last and final clip. So yeah guys, as you can see, I finally got a player, and I got him for FC Bayern Munich. So he's worth 300. I bought him for 300 coins, and as you can see, the guy bought him for 300 coins, and I sold it, and I bought him for 350. So that was a good pull guys, and that is one more clip for you to see. What is up guys, so yeah, this is the last and final clip, and as you can see, I got it for 200 coins, and he's from West Ham United. And this will be the video guys. Hope you liked it and enjoyed. I really recommend you to try out this method, and obviously we would love it if you subscribe. So this is XZX Gaming signing off.